Workzone for Bitbucket allows you and your team to organise, automate and control your SCM process. Why use Workzone for Bitbucket? As a Bitbucket user, do you and your team require pull requests to have different reviewers for branches, files or modules? Need important stakeholders to approve certain pull requests? Want a tight and granular merge control for pull requests? Work in a government-certified company and need an audit trail for your pull request approvals? If you and your team have any of these needs and requirements, then Workzone for Bitbucket is the tool for you. Workzone allows you and your team to organise, automate and control their software development process by intuitively and quickly configuring your pull request workflow, reviewers, approvals and merge process. Let's see how you can use Workzone in Bitbucket. There are three main areas you can work with and control. These are reviewers, approvals and merge process. Workzone allows you to control how reviewers and groups are automatically added to new pull requests by directory, file type or branch. Let's look into how you manage your pull request reviewers. Configure reviewers by selecting a target branch and then add users and groups so that Workzone can add these automatically when the pull request is created. You may also choose mandatory reviewers. To identify file-specific reviewers, open the File section, enter the file type and the reviewers and groups. Workzone makes compliance easy. Create an audit trail for pull request approvals and keep important stakeholders in the loop by requiring them to digitally sign pull requests. Let's look at how Workzone manages compliance via digital signatures in Bitbucket. In order to add approvers that need to sign the pull request, select the target branch and add the users and groups. You may also choose to add them as reviewers. Let's see how reviewers are added automatically when the pull request is created. No individual reviewers need to be added to the pull request. The pull request overview page shows us that all the configured reviewers have automatically been added to the new pull request. Workzone allows you to control how a pull request is merged per branch or branch pattern. You can define a logical expression, including approval quota, group quota, signatures, and successful build count to evaluate whether or not a pull request can be merged manually or automatically. Let's look at how Workzone for merge control works. To configure Workzone merge control, set the target branch and the user that will automatically merge the pull request when all conditions are met. To define the merge condition, enter the approval quota, the group quota, and the required signatures count. You may also add a successful builds count. Let's see how this configuration plays out in the pull request approval process. First, user C logs in and approves the pull request. Then the mandatory reviewer logs in and approves the pull request. Finally, the user required to sign off on the pull request logs in and approves the pull request with their username and password. Workzone will now automatically merge the pull request. Workzone for Bitbucket allows you and your team to easily organise, automate and control your software development process through pull requests. Try Workzone for Bitbucket for free today.